Here I have OnePlus 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here, tap open camera, grant all permissions it requires. So as you can see, as soon as it spots this QR code, it suggests me to open the page which has been encoded. So just tap on the search icon and it instantly opens the page which is being encoded into this QR code. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.